Well, hello YouTube. Here's a question. You want to grab only first character from that string. In a C, we have getchar function that will get the job done. That function will grab whatever is entered from end user, and it will return that first character as integer. So let me show that. So return type will be integer, let's say x. We are going to put stuff from keyboard into x, and a little bit of explanation to end user what needs to be done here, like enter character, but it will be returned as integer. So enter character, and now we are activating getchar function. So x is a target. This is first time in this playlist that we are using this approach. So not string copy, no string copy, just x. So x equals and function call getchar. Because this is a function, we must use a parenthesis without any kind of stuff in here. This is just function that will get stuff from end user. So we don't pass perimeters in here like manually, right? Okay, so this is when we wanna get stuff. Let me test that. Enter character 10. Nothing happens because we are not printing that character. Okay, so let's print that. Print f you entered, little bit of new line, and now we are just going to say not printf but putchar. Putchar. This is new function we are learning. And what are we exporting to the rest of the world? What are we printing? Well, that specific x from here. So this is completely new approach when we are grabbing stuff and printing stuff. See, we are not using printf on the left side like here. We are saying putchar because task of that function is to print only one character at the screen. Okay, at a time. So let's do that. And we are going to, I don't know, have a long string, and there you go. G is at position 0, at index 0. So G is the first character, right? Very simple stuff. So x equals call of function, and immediately when you're using it, you state function, what is the target x from here, and that function will print it. This thing will work even if you don't have these printfs. Okay, let's test that. So this is that string. Let me remove this. Enter, and there you go. So this is pretty much obvious, self-obvious. Now here's a question. Can we create a function outside of main when we call it down there that will inside the main that will do everything like here? Can we have that function outside? Well, yes. So we are going to say void name of function will be get only one character. Okay, and inside as operation we are just going to copy paste stuff from here in here, let's say. Okay, so that's pretty much it what we need to do. Now to use this function here, we are just going to call it get one char without any kind of perimeters, because remember the task of this function inside is to get stuff from keyboard and put stuff on a screen. So no perimeters here. It will be done inside through intermediary getchar and putchar. This is why we use void here as a quote return type. There is no any because this is just printing with the help of putchar. Okay, enter character like test, and there you go. So if you ever need to get one thing from string and to put one thing to screen, you're gonna use getchar and putchar. Just remember, variable will be on the left side, equal symbol, call of the function, and down there when you are printing stuff on the screen, just call of the function and that previous 6 as parameter. Very simple stuff. As always, thank you for watching and see you next one. Ciao.